Hello everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience, your destination for everything related to web hosting and building websites. In this video, I will share with you my DreamHost email experience, discussing ease of use, pricing, how to get DreamHost hosting and domain name for free, as well as the process of creating your email account and linking it to Gmail. After acquiring my DreamHost account and making numerous videos, what I consistently appreciate about DreamHost is its user-friendly interface. From the initial sign-up process to the creation of my email account, every step was self-explanatory. Instead of cPanel, DreamHost's control panel utilizes its own interface, which I found remarkably simple and easy to navigate. It presents only the essential information in an organized manner. Another aspect that I appreciate about DreamHost is its commitment to maintaining affordable pricing. Despite being well established in the market and receiving recommendations from WordPress, as well as ranking 12 out of 359 popular web hosting companies, they have consistently kept their pricing reasonable in the past year, distinguishing themselves from many competitors. In a market where a .com domain name typically costs around $10 to $12, DreamHost offers a comprehensive package. For just $35.40 in the first year, you not only get web hosting that allows you to create an unlimited number of websites and email accounts, but also includes a free domain name. Regarding pricing, I want to inform you that as an affiliate with DreamHost, I receive a commission for every qualified customer. And rather than keeping all this commission to myself, I've decided to offer you a special deal. I'm willing to give you back the $35.40 from my commission, making your web hosting and domain name essentially free. Here's how you can take advantage of this offer. Visit the DreamHost website using my link, which is bensexperience.com/dreamhost. Purchase a WordPress Unlimited or Shared Unlimited for a year, priced at 35 and 40 cents. Then provide me with your email or Pioneer email address and I'll reimburse you the $35.40. And congrats on securing your professional looking email for free. Similar to many web hosting companies, DreamHost provides a knowledge base, an email ticket system, and a live chat option. One area where I believe DreamHost could make improvements is in their live chat availability, which currently operates from 5:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. PST, covering 16 hours out of the 24 hours in a day. Despite this slight inconvenience, in my personal experience, the live chat queue wasn't excessively long. I had only two people ahead of me, and it took me approximately 7 minutes to connect with a real person. I'd like to give a shout out to Juan. He was quick to reply and very helpful. Creating your email account on DreamHost is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, navigate to Email, click on Manage Email, then Create Email. Enter your desired email address. Here you have three mailbox types. The first one is fully hosted email, which allows you to send, receive, and store emails. The second one is forward only email, which forwards all incoming emails to another specified email address. And the last one is the garbage email that deletes all incoming emails without sending a bounce message to the sender. For this video, I will choose the first type as it is likely the preference for the majority of my viewers. Click Continue. Fill in your display name. the name others will see when you contact them, and create a password. I recommend you to save or note down this password for ease of use when connecting your account to Gmail. Wait a moment. As you see, your email is completely created. To access your email account, click on the small mail icon, enter your password and click Login. For composing an email, click on Compose and use the refresh button to check for new messages, where I will show you how to connect a DreamHost email account with Gmail to start sending and receiving emails directly from Gmail. In order to do so, go to Gmail and click on Settings, then see all settings, head to Account and Import, and click on Add a Mail Account. Type your email address, the one you created on DreamHost, and click Next, and choose Import emails from my other account. Enter the username and password you created or you choose it during your email account creation on DreamHost. For the pub server, write pub.dreamhost.com, and for the port, choose the port number 400. I want to say 995. You can check this option to leave a copy of your retrieved message on the server. Always use secure connection and label incoming messages. And there you have it, your new email account on Gmail has been added successfully. Now you can start receiving your DreamHost email messages directly in Gmail. In order to start receiving or start sending emails on the SMTP server, write smtp.dreamhost.com. For the port, choose the port number 465 and username and password as chosen during your email account creation on DreamHost. And always choose your secured connection. And there you have it. Now the last step, your email account is successfully connected. Gmail is connected successfully to start sending emails. The last step is to confirm, to click on a confirmation, click on a link in a confirmation email that you will receive in your DreamHost email account. This is the email account. This is the confirmation email message. Click on the link. Click on confirm. And this is how you choose your new or your professional looking email address. That was all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to encourage me to create more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next